Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Scrubbing Bubbles Mega Shower Disinfecting Spray. To take care of a deep clean and get rid of germs in the process, try the Scrubbing Bubbles Disinfectant Spray. It employs foam to remove soap scum and grime. It is not harmful to porcelain or ceramic surfaces, as well as glass, laminate, sealed granite, sealed quartz, corian, fiberglass, or vinyl. It can even be used on stainless steel or chrome fixtures. It comes in a variety of scents. But it's the germ-fighting ability and the thick foam that gets into every nook and cranny, even grout lines, that really set it apart. It's also tough on soap scum, hard water deposits, and the buildup of oils and bath products that can cause unattractive rings in your tub. A great soap scum remover that penetrates and dissolves messes. Surfaces such as glazed ceramic tile, stainless steel, chrome fittings, fiberglass, vinyl, glazed porcelain, glass, laminate, corian, sealed granite, and quartz can be cleaned effectively. This cleaning scrubber is strong on filth and may be used all over the house. Surface cleaner, wall cleaner, bathtub cleaner, bathroom cleaner, oven door cleaner, erases marks on light switches, doors and other surfaces, and much more. Excellent for cleaning sneaker shoes. Bubbles for scrubbing magic erasers remove difficult marks, stuck on grime, and scuffs to restore your shoes to new condition. Scrubbing Bubbles eraser cleans effectively with just water. There are no harsh chemicals used. Keep in a cool location. Kitchen, original, and bathroom magic erasers are also available. Cleaning micro scrubbers reach into surface grooves, removing accumulated dirt and grime. Use it as a textured multi-surface cleaner on your impossible problems around the house, such as stains on walls, soap scum in your bathtub and on your shower glass, and greasy kitchen messes on counters, stovetops, and ovens. In comparison to the leading all-purpose bleach spray. For details, let's watch more. Our second best bathtub cleaner is Wet and Forget Shower Cleaner. Wet and Forget Shower dissolves stains on hard non-porous surfaces while gently cleaning soap scum, grime and body oils in the bathroom shower and bathtub. Spray with the attached sprayer once a week, let for 8 to 12 hours, and then thoroughly rinse with warm water. For heavy accumulation, spray and rinse every day until the surface is clean. Fully cleanse shower basin and tub before use. Wet and Forget Shower is safe to use on most surfaces, including glass, porcelain, fiberglass, metal, sandstone, and tile, but not natural marble. Test on a small area before applying thoroughly. Will clear surface stains on caulk and sealed grout with repeated application. When used weekly, Wet and Forget Shower will help keep hard water stains or calcium deposits at bay. However, extreme cases of calcium buildup may require a pre-cleaning. Wet and Forget Clean Day Tub and Tile Cleaners provide effective bathroom cleaning ingredients as well as a unique smell for your house. The aroma of lavender-scented tub and tile cleanser is pleasant and relaxing. This combines garden-inspired aromas, essential oils, plant-derived substances, and other carefully selected ingredients to deliver a powerful, fresh clean for your bathroom. Our tough formula is designed for use on bathroom surfaces including as shower doors, tiles, toilet seats, porcelain, countertops, sinks, tubs and more. Just spritz and wipe clean. Other garden-inspired smells and products, such as dish soaps and laundry detergents, are also available. For details, let's watch more. Third in our list is CLR Pro Heavy Duty Cleaner. Heavy Duty Cleaner and Degreaser is a multi-purpose grease remover that removes tough stains like grease, tar, and oil. This ready-to-use, full-strength composition has a powerful cleaning action. This strong cleaner, designed for commercial use, is an excellent tool for industrial use. This product can be used on floors, tiles, machineries, and equipment in a variety of commercial, manufacturing, industrial, and hospitality situations. This multi-purpose, readily biodegradable degreaser has no acids, abrasives, or petroleum solvents and is safe for adjacent grass, bushes, or vegetation. The cleaning required, CLR Pro provides a professional line of commercial and industrial goods such as degreasers, descalers, rust removers, stain removers and drain maintainers. Freshen and refresh tub and tile surfaces while swiftly removing tough stains. Our professional strength spray is specially intended to reduce mold and mildew discoloration. This strong cleaner safely removes mold and mildew stains without discoloring or harming grout or tile. This extra strength, no scrub, foaming formula gets to work right away, removing stains in just 15 seconds while leaving behind a fresh, modern orchard aroma. Indoor rooms with high humidity and moisture levels can become breeding grounds for mold and mildew. These unattractive stains are expensive and difficult to cure, and they are frequently found on tub and tile surfaces, where they can deeply penetrate and quickly spread to the surrounding areas. Number 4 in our best bathtub cleaner list is Yuck Jetted Bathtub Cleaner. Getting a clean bathtub frequently boils down to your bathroom cleaning strategy and selecting the appropriate cleaner for the job. Many can clean, sanitize, and remove hard water spots and stains. Pleasant fragrances are particularly beneficial in a tiny environment such as a restroom. Yuck's jetted tub cleaning is specially formulated to break down and remove yuck from the inside of your jetted bathtub, jacuzzi, or whirlpool, resulting in a safe, clean, and healthy bathtub. To get rid of old soap, bath and body oils, and black flakes. Cleans your tub in 15 minutes. Simply run your water, add our cleaner, and turn on your jets. Yuck's jetted tub cleaning is specifically intended to break down and remove yuck from the inside of your jetted bathtub, jacuzzi, or whirlpool, resulting in a safe, clean, and healthy bathing experience. RMR Tub and Tile Cleaner is an extra strength spray with a fresh modern orchard smell that is designed to dissolve difficult stains in seconds. The ready-to-use product penetrates beneath the surface in just 15 seconds to break up persistent discoloration without hurting grout or tile. This powerful cleanser penetrates tub and tile surfaces to remove difficult stains and discoloration caused by mold and mildew. Simply spray our ready-to-use product on the damaged area and see the stains fade before your very eyes. With a delicate modern orchard aroma that refreshes any area, this cleanser is powerful enough for professional usage yet gentle enough for domestic use. Our last pick is Lysol Power Foaming Cleaning Spray. Lysol Power Bathroom Foamer has been tested and verified to clean and eliminate 99.9% of bacteria and viruses in the bathroom. Without scrubbing, powerful bathroom foam removes soap scum, lime scale and everyday filth and grime, leaving your bathroom clean, brighter and smelling fresh. Fast-acting foaming spray makes cleaning and sanitizing your bathroom easier than ever. Clean and brighten your shower doors, bathtubs, tiles, worktops, vinyl shower curtains, floors, and sinks using this foam. It cleans kitchen and bathroom sinks of thick soap scum, hard water and rust stains and pot marks. This shower, tub and tile cleanser penetrates daily bathroom stains to expose gleaming surfaces with each spray. Slimy soap scum, hard calcium and lime buildup, and even grease can be removed. When used as instructed, this all-purpose bathroom cleaner disinfects hard, non-porous surfaces such as showers, glass doors, glazed tile and porcelain, chrome and stainless steel, sinks, tubs, grout and plastic laminate. Our bathroom cleaner stain-fighting bubbles penetrate and remove stubborn bathroom stains. To remove shower and tub filth, simply spray our tub and tile cleaning. Allow to stand before wiping clean.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!